Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of May 8th, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is trees. We Planted a Tree by Diane Muldrow, illustrated by Bob Stake. We planted a tree. We planted a tree, and it grew up. We planted a tree, and it grew up while it reached for the sky and the sun. The sunshine went into the leaves and brought food up to the tree, and the tree grew up. Fat little buds appeared on the branches. The sunshine went into the buds, and soon they burst open. Everywhere was pink, and we were dizzy with springtime. The sun kept shining. The pink blossoms dropped off, but soon there were green leaves. Green, shiny leaves, which had food inside for the tree. Green, shiny leaves, which cooled us, which kept the earth cool. We planted a tree, and it grew up and gave us a shady place. The tree's leaves helped clean the air, and we breathed better. The trees fed us apples and oranges and lemons, and sap for our syrup. We planted a tree, and it grew up. The tree kept the soil from blowing away. Now rainwater could stay in the earth. The soil became healthier because the tree was there, so we planted. We planted butternut squash and beans, corn and onions and cabbage, in the healthy soil, the rich, dark dirt. And we could grow our own food, and we ate better. We planted a tree, and it grew up, and it dropped acorns that fed the squirrels in winter. And birds came, and other animals came too, to live with the tree. We planted a tree, and that one tree made the world better. We planted a tree, and that one tree helped heal the earth. We planted a tree, and it grew up. And so did we. The end. Alright, we're going to make a Lego painted tree. So your craft to go kit includes a tree template. And if you notice, it's just the branches. And a Lego. Mine is purple, yours might be any other color. And all we're going to do is print paint. And I have green and pink, so we can have green for the leaves and pink for the little flowers. And you see I just dipped that right in there, and I'm gonna stamp it on there. And that's all we're gonna do to make the little tree buds. I'm just going to get a little bit more pink in here just to add a splash of color. These can be like apple blossoms or cherry blossoms, whatever we want them to be. And that is it. That's our budding tree, painted with a Lego.